Hey everybody, welcome back to this week's 2-Minute Tuesday RV tip. And today I wanted to talk about the 10-year rule for RV parks and how you can get around that and not to let it dissuade you from buying an older coach. So this coach over here just pulled up next to us, and I want to take you by it and then have you guess the year. So this is the coach. It's a Ford Travel. It has a full paint job on it. Let's take a walk around, look at all the sides. So in talking to this owner, this coach is a 1995 coach. He's done obviously some modifications to it. Most of the coaches in 1995 had a white paint job with some stripes. He did a full paint job on it. He completely redid the interior of the coach. And then one of the other modifications he did that modernizes it is up on the front. The headlights have been upgraded to a halogen type light and a round one, where the older coaches came with more of a square headlight. And so the tip here is don't be afraid to buy an older coach. If you were to send a picture of this coach to the campgrounds that you're looking to get in that have a 10-year rule, I would imagine that it's not going to get declined by anybody. It's a great looking coach. It's a great value. He has over 200,000 miles on it. Original owner, just maintained it. A lot of these older Ford Travels are highly desired, and the owners really take good care of them. So if you see one out there on the market, it's a good buy and a good way to get into a diesel pusher. Until next week, we'll hope to see you. Leave any comments below. We'd love to see what your thoughts are on this 10-year rule. It's a pretty controversial thing out there. Have a great week.